Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied about rainbow man animation, how to apply rainbow man animation in particularly any function in custom module for Odoo 19. Today, we are gonna study about a very important topic known as sorting. So, when we see in the tree view, when we create any of the record, let's say just create any of the record, and when we save it, the new record is shown at the last. So what if we want to change the sequence of this particular list view, or basically we want to show this particular list view in descending order, which means if any of the new record created, it should be shown on the first. So in order to do that, all you need to do is go to the code in the library.book model. Basically in your model here you need to add an attribute known as order is equals to, by default it will be in ascending order, and by default Odoo takes id as an value. So you can see here the records are in ascending order in sorted with the help of id. So let's say suppose its id is 1 2 3 similarly. So basically Odoo works on id, and currently sorting is in ascending order. So what I will do, I'll simply add id attribute space desc. What this mean? It means descending order. So what I have written here, that order of the records must be in descending order as per the id, because by default Odoo uses id as sorting. So now I'll just simply restart my server, go to our apps, upgrade our module in library management. See, now the or records are shown in descending order. If I'll create a new record, say new book, and save it, it will be shown on the top. Why? Because the id are shown in descending order. The first id is here and the last one is here. Also, we can add multiple order as per the requirement. What I mean to say is we can add other order as well, like multiple orders. Let's say we add name attribute as well. And if you don't write any of the like DAC, it simply takes as ascending order. So what this particular multiple order will do, it will first check or set the records based on name ascending order, means alphabetical order. Then if the names are same, in case the name of the two records are same, then the record will be set based on their id, and it will be on descending order. Now I'll just restart the server, go to the apps, upgrade our module, go to the library management, and here let's just I create a name, a book, save. It will first take as the capital letters as primary, and then it will take the lowercase character. See, as you can see, a book is in small case, so it will be right below the capital letters. If I add a book name in capital letter, then it will shown in the top. Why? Because we have added order as name as ascending order. Sorting will be done as per the book name, and it will be based on the alphabetical order, and in that alphabetical order, it will be first take priority for the capital letter. If there is a capital letter, it will be first. Then after the capital letters books are over, then it will move towards the lowercase letters. So here, see, currently you can see there are two ERT records. Now I'll add another ERT record, ERT, and just to know which record is, we can simply add author 99 and I'll just save it. So here you can see there are three ERT records. So sorting is done based on name, but after the names are same, the order will be based on their ID, and ID must be in descending order. Why? Because we have set here ID as descending order. If the names are same, then the second parameter will be worked on, which means the second parameter in our case is sorting should be done on descending as per the ID. So we currently created this author 99. Out of the three, which ID is the latest? So this one. So it is coming top of this both. So you can simply add multiple fields order as per your requirement. And also I need to clarify that if you add here order, then if you search any of the records in self.env, then the records value will be fetched based on the order, not as per the normally. Normally we use ID ascending order as the order by default in Odoo. But if you add here order attribute and do the changes based on descending order or any of the other attribute, then the search will be based on this order, not the Odoo default order. So you need to remember, in case if you added this, the value of the records may be not as per your requirement. So I would recommend to use this very carefully. For now, all you need to remember is that order attribute can be used to sort the particular records in, and you can add multiple field name as well. It will work on priority base. The first field will be taken as first priority. If both the records are same name, then it will move towards the second attribute. And if you want to add ascending order, you have to simply add the field. If you want to add in descending order, you need to add DESC as attribute here. I hope today's topic had been understood by you. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.